switching sides. He's going to become a Democrat after all these years. Both the president and vice president were on hand to hear the senator pledge his loyalty. The move will put the Democrats within one vote of a filibuster-proof Senate. Still, Specter says he's nobody's rubber stamp. Take a listen.
I will not be an automatic 60th vote. There have been positions which I talked about yesterday and will not re-enumerate where I stand in a different position from the traditional position of the Democrats, and I will continue that independence.
Reaction now from Senator Jim Inhofe, who's a Republican of Oklahoma. Senator, thanks for being here. I want to get your reaction
nice to be with you,
to what one of your colleagues said, Senator DeMint. He said that with the Specter defection and a chance for the Democrats to get these 60 votes, quote, maybe the best thing that could happen to the Republican Party right now. You agree?
Well, no, I thought I was the only one who was really pleased with this change. I mean, you stop and think about it, Jane. This is the first visible evidence that what happened in 1993 is happening again now. And if you'll remember, when Bill Clinton came in, a popular president, and he had the House and the Senate, he had it all. First thing he did was decimate the military, then get into all these issues like gun control and Hillary health care. Remember that? All these things. People rebelled against that, and you saw what happened in the election of '94. Now, we have the same thing happening. We have Obama doing the same thing that Clinton did back in 1993. In fact, it's worse. Instead of a $1.5 trillion budget, it's a $3.2 trillion budget. So all these things are happening right now, and people are already starting to rebel against it. Now, the evidence of this, it was found out when Arlen Specter made his decision. And that is that all of a sudden we find out that Arlen Specter is down in the Republican Party, down in terms of his popularity. The guy that ran against him and was defeated by Arlen Specter in 6 years ago now is so far ahead of him that Arlen Specter's own advisors said there's no way that you can win this thing unless you change to the Democratic Party.
Senator, are you talking about...
That's the evidence that's coming.
You're envisioning another Republican revolution in 2010?
I really am. I mean, all the indicators are there, but this is the first time that we've actually seen the evidence that it's there. In one race, a specific race, it's overwhelmingly changed, and I think that's a result of the same thing that's going on in the White House.
You know, Senator Fred Barnes, who's a familiar face here on Fox, argues this morning in the Wall Street Journal that 2010 is actually going to be a very tough year for Republicans, and he lays out a case that potentially your party could lose more seats in the Senate.
No, I don't buy that. I like Fred Barnes and all that, but if you look back and see how history is repeating itself, and by the way, Jane, I heard you say a few minutes ago, talking about the 60 votes, I'm not concerned about this. Doesn't change that at all. Arlen was never dependable as a vote, and if anything, you know, people are just going to be more focused on the fact that they now would have 60 votes, and I think that'll help us reverse this thing in 2010. Let's just wait and see who's right, Fred Barnes or me.
We will get back to you on that one. We'll ask Fred about that. He'll watch it as well. Senator James Inhofe, a Republican of